Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're doing an overview or walkthrough of the DLive live streaming app. Okay, so here we are in the DLive mobile app. This is a live streaming app primarily for gamers, but you also see some people doing stuff like art and a little bit of variety of other stuff. First thing, when you get the app, you can create a profile. It's very simple to sign up, create your profile. And creating a profile will allow you to chat and engage in other people's streams as well as stream yourself. The DLive app is super smooth. That's something you notice right off the bat, like everything is smooth here. The swipes, the loading times, the tabs, everything is built really well. They've put a lot of work into creating this app. You can tell it's not just like hacked together. So let's dive into some of the features here. Starting off with the tabs on the bottom of the screen, you can see we are on the home screen. We also have a following screen that will show you streamers that you follow and your profile screen. The main thing we want to look at is the home tab. Here's where they're featuring the best and most popular streamers on their platform, and you have the option to tap on the top of the screen. You can also scroll through all of the games or sections up here, or you can swipe through them if you like. So let's go to Fortnite. This is a popular game, something that people will be familiar with. By the way, you can also tap the three dots on the top right to get a grid view of all the games and categories. Or you have the option to search for one as well. I'm just gonna cancel this. And now let's hop into someone's stream. Let's go ahead and tap on the first one here. As you can see, this is very familiar when compared to other live streaming apps. We have the stream at the top. If we tap on that, we can get some other options and details like the amount of viewers, the amount of Lino points, which is like the DLive currency, and you can expand the video full screen or create a clip. Under the live video feed, you'll see the chat. We can swipe through these sections or tap on them to see the about section, some of their stream highlights, replays, and the top contributors to the stream. To use the chat, just tap in the chat bar, type your message, and then tap send. You can also add emojis with the smiley face, and they also have some nice onboarding features, like you can long press a sticker to add it to your favorites if you want to do that. We have the channel stickers and the global stickers here, and you can just tap on these and it will automatically add them in the chat. Towards the bottom right, we also have a yellow treasure chest, and it says the more you engage in the live stream, the more Lino points the chest accumulates. Chest rewards will be distributed when the streamer opens it. To exit a stream, you can just swipe down or tap the arrow in the top left corner. If you decide that you want to follow a streamer or subscribe to them, you can see the buttons near the middle of the screen. Just go ahead and tap follow, and then it will say that you followed them right there in the chat. You can also go to your following tab and they will show up now. So here in the following tab, we can see some highlights, who is live that you're following, and reruns from streams that you follow. And below that, it will show additional streams that you might like that you could check out. The final tab is just the profile tab, where you can find your typical profile stuff and manage all of your clips and settings from here. And there you have it, a quick overview of the DLive live streaming app. You can use DLive in your browser or on your mobile devices. Another thing that makes them unique from other live streaming apps is that they're creating a digital currency here. They're going to be launching their own in-app currency on their own blockchain in Q4 of 2019. And the currency will be rewarded for streaming and watching streams and engaging with streams. And it sounds like these will actually be exchangeable for real world value. It has all of the details in this article if you want to check this out. But it basically says one of their tokens will be worth roughly 1 cent in US dollars. So that's something really unique about it, something that no one has done yet before. You know, other services like Twitch and Mixer kind of have their own in-app currencies, but I believe only streamers can exchange them when they reach certain quantities. But it's not an actual token on an actual blockchain, kind of just like fake money on the other live streaming apps. So this is cool that DLive is doing like an actual digital asset, and it'll be exciting to see how that plays out. But there you have it, the overview of the DLive live streaming app. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Be sure to like this this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more mobile app tutorials like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.